Efficient numpy subarrays extraction from a mask. I am searching a Pythonic way to extract multiple subarrays from a given array using a mask as shown in the example. The output will be a collection of array like the following, where only the contiguous region of true values next to each other, of the mask n represent the indices generating a subarray.
Here's one approach. Sample run. Runtime test. Other approach S. Timings. Increasing the average length of islands.
This will return a list of arrays, split into chunks of true and n.
Sounds like a natural application for np.split. You first have to figure out where to cut the array, which is where the mask changes between true and false. Next, discard all elements where the mask is false.